In uncertain times, being prepared isn't just smart, it's survival. Whether it's a natural disaster, a grid-down event, or a long trek into the unknown, the right gear can mean the difference between comfort and catastrophe. Today, we're counting down 20 essential doomsday survival gadgets every prepper should have. From clean water solutions to power-generating tools, these life-saving devices are designed to keep you ready for whatever comes next. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Water is your top priority in any survival scenario, and the LifeStraw has become a prepper's classic for good reason. This lightweight filter lets you safely drink directly from rivers, lakes, or questionable taps by removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Compact enough to fit in any go bag, it's a must-have for fast hydration when clean water isn't guaranteed. With the ability to purify up to 1,000 gallons, this tiny tool could keep you alive long after bottled water runs out. Sawyer Mini Water Filter. Think of it as a pocket-sized filtration powerhouse. At just 2 ounces, it's small enough to clip to a backpack or fit in a survival kit, but don't let its size fool you. The Sawyer Mini filters down to 0.1 microns, removing 99.9999% of harmful bacteria and protozoa. It works in line with hydration packs, attaches to standard water bottles, or can be used as a straw directly from the source. In survival, flexibility matters, and this filter delivers it. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filter. Built for those who want speed and reliability, the Sawyer Squeeze lets you filter large amounts of water in minutes. Simply fill a pouch, squeeze it through the filter, and you're ready to drink clean, safe water. Its high flow rate and durable construction make it ideal for groups, long-term bug-out plans, or anyone needing more than just a sip. With no replacement cartridges required, it's a long-lasting investment for serious preparedness. SteriPEN UV Water Purifier. Sometimes boiling water isn't an option, and that's where ultraviolet purification shines. The SteriPEN uses powerful UV light to destroy harmful bacteria, protozoa, and even viruses that most filters can't handle. With just the push of a button, it treats a liter of water in under 2 minutes. Lightweight, rechargeable, and effective, it's a high-tech solution that turns even the sketchiest water source into safe drinking water. Biolite CampStove. Survival cooking meets modern power generation with this ingenious gadget. The Biolite CampStove burns sticks and twigs you gather in the wild, but here's the game changer. It converts that heat into usable electricity to charge your phone, headlamp, or GPS through a USB port. It's smokeless, eco-friendly, and built for emergency situations where fire and power are both necessities. Cook a meal and power up your devices all at once. This is survival innovation at its best. Jetboil Flash Stove. When speed matters, the Jetboil delivers. This compact stove system boils water in about 100 seconds, making it one of the fastest options for preparing meals or hot drinks in the wild. Its integrated design keeps fuel use efficient, while the insulated cooking cup doubles as a mug. Lightweight, reliable, and lightning fast, it's perfect for preppers who value time, efficiency, and portability in their gear. MSR PocketRocket Stove. Tiny but mighty, this ultralight stove has earned legendary status among survivalists and backpackers. Weighing just a few ounces, it screws directly onto a fuel canister and brings water to a boil in under 4 minutes. Its foldable arms provide a stable cooking platform, while the precision flame control lets you simmer or blast heat as needed. When space and weight are limited, the PocketRocket is the perfect balance of power and portability. Goal? Zero Nomad. Solar panels? When the grid goes dark, solar power becomes priceless. The Goal Zero Nomad panels fold down small, unfold easily, and soak up sunlight to charge phones, radios, GPS units, or even a power bank. Pair them with a Goal Zero Yeti portable station, and you've got a clean, renewable power hub for days or weeks off the grid. Quiet, reliable, and endlessly reusable, this setup is essential for long-term survival planning. Jackery Explorer Power Station. Think of it as your portable wall outlet when everything else fails. The Jackery Explorer comes in various sizes with models capable of powering lights, medical devices, laptops, and small appliances. Recharge it via solar panels, car, or wall outlet, and you'll always have electricity on demand. For preppers, this means peace of mind. Whether you're bugging out or riding out a blackout at home, Anker PowerCore Power Bank. Sometimes survival comes down to keeping small devices alive, your phone, GPS, or flashlight. The Anker PowerCore is built for exactly that, with a massive battery capacity that can recharge most smartphones multiple times on a single charge. Compact and rugged, it slips easily into a backpack or pocket. Fast charging technology ensures you don't waste time waiting, making it a reliable lifeline when every bit of power counts. Leatherman Wave. Multi-tool. A true prepper's best friend, the Leatherman Wave is like carrying an entire toolbox in your pocket. It features pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, scissors, a saw, and more, all in a stainless steel body designed for heavy use. Whether you're repairing gear, cutting rope, or handling small survival tasks, the Wave's durability and versatility make it indispensable. It's one of those gadgets you'll find yourself using daily, not just in emergencies. Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool. Sleek, lightweight, and built for everyday carry, the Gerber Suspension NXT is another multi-tool worth its place in a survival kit. With 15 functions, spring-loaded pliers, and a slim pocket clip design, it's made for quick access and regular use. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort even during tough jobs. Whether it's a backup tool or your primary choice, the NXT proves that preparedness doesn't have to be bulky to be effective. Ferrocerium Fire Starter. Matches get soggy, lighters run out of fuel, but a ferro rod? That'll throw sparks in almost any condition. By scraping the rod with a striker, you get a shower of sparks hot enough to ignite tinder, even in rain or snow. Compact, nearly indestructible, and usable thousands of times, a Ferrocerium fire starter is one of the most reliable ways to create fire when your survival depends on it. Eton or Kaito emergency radio. When communication networks collapse, staying informed can be life-saving. These emergency radios combine solar charging, hand crank power, and long-lasting batteries to give you access to AM, FM, and shortwave frequencies. Many models also feature built-in flashlights, USB charging ports, and weather alerts. In a crisis, knowledge is power, and this gadget keeps vital information flowing when it matters most. SOL Emergency Bivvy. Shelter is one of the big three survival priorities, and the SOL Bivvy is a lifesaver in a compact package. Made with heat-reflective material, it traps up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm in freezing temperatures. Waterproof, windproof, and lightweight, it stuffs down to the size of a soda can. Whether used as a backup sleeping bag, a windproof layer, or an emergency shelter, it's a survival essential that weighs almost nothing. Platypus Gravity. Works water filter. When you need to purify a lot of water with minimal effort, this gravity-fed system is a game changer. Just fill the dirty reservoir, hang it up, and let gravity do the work as clean water flows into the clean bag. No pumping, no batteries, just simple efficiency. Capable of filtering up to 4 liters in a matter of minutes, it's perfect for groups or long-term survival setups where clean water is critical. Cat Tourniquet and Trauma Kit Essentials. Accidents and injuries are inevitable in survival situations, and having the right medical gear can be life-saving. A CAT, Combat Application Tourniquet, is designed to stop severe bleeding fast, giving you precious time to reach proper medical care. Pair it with hemostatic dressings and other trauma tools, and you've got a first aid kit that goes far beyond bandages. Every prepper should carry one, because seconds truly matter when lives are on the line. Faraday bag or EMP protection pouch. Modern survival isn't just about food and fire, it's also about protecting your tech. A Faraday bag shields electronics from electromagnetic pulses and unwanted tracking. By blocking signals completely, it keeps devices like radios, hard drives, and even smartphones safe from damage or surveillance. Lightweight and discreet, it's a simple addition to any kit that could preserve your ability to communicate and navigate after a catastrophic event. Portable solar backpack. Imagine carrying not just your essentials, but also a power source on your back. A solar backpack integrates lightweight solar panels directly into its design, letting you charge phones, radios, GPS units, and power banks while you move. It's ideal for bug-out situations where you need to stay mobile but can't afford to lose access to electricity. Durable, water-resistant, and multifunctional, this backpack is as much a survival tool as it is storage. Reconnaissance Drone. In survival, information is everything. A compact drone gives you eyes in the sky, scouting ahead for resources, spotting obstacles, or checking for threats without putting yourself at risk. Many consumer drones now fold down small enough to fit in a bug-out bag, while offering high-definition video and long flight times. In uncertain times, this gadget adds a whole new level of safety, awareness, and adaptability. So that's our list of 20 Doomsday Survival gadgets every prepper should have. Each one was chosen because it adds real value when the world throws its toughest challenges your way. Which one would you add to your survival kit first? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Gadgets Picks for more life-saving gear and future-ready tech. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared.